Hi mathematicians! We've got a fun one today. This one's called Doggie Domicile. I really like alliteration. The word domicile is a place where someone lives. You might not have heard that. I think the root word comes from Greek. I'm not 100% sure on that. It could be Latin. But it comes from domu or dem, which means house or home. So domicile is a place where someone lives. Let's dig into our question. Jake is building a doghouse that requires 12 feet of wood. He has 3 pieces of wood, 4.3 feet, 3.7 feet, and 2.9 feet. Does he have enough? Since I can highlight, I'm going to pull out my highlighter and highlight on this question the important pieces of information. But if you were doing this and your problem was on a screen, I would suggest writing bullet point notes of the information that you have and then also what you're looking for. And I'll do that in just a second. Okay, so since you're at home and you're reading this problem on a screen, you should write down the important pieces of information. So he needs 12 feet. He has 4 3/10, 3 7/10, and 2 9/10 feet. And we're trying to figure out if he has enough. Well, that would mean that if we added all those 3 numbers together, then we would have 12 or more feet if we had enough. If we had less than 12, it wouldn't be enough to build the doghouse. So that's what we're going to figure out. We're going to stack our numbers by place value, making sure the decimals line up neatly. And then we're going to add the 3 numbers together. Now 3/10 and 7/10 together equal 1 whole. And then we also have 9/10. I'm going to write the 9/10 below and then carry the 1 into the ones column. Don't forget your decimal point. Now 3 and 2 together give us 5, and so does 1 and 4. If we add 2 5s together, that's 10 wholes. That means he has 10.9 feet of wood, which is not enough to build a doghouse. So in my sentence, I'm going to include that information that no, Jake does not have enough, and then I'm going to give evidence about why he doesn't have enough. So Jake does not have enough wood to build a doghouse because he needs 12 feet, but only has 10.9 feet. I hope you enjoyed this problem today. Please come back for more. Have a great day, mathematicians.